This is just a small haul from Charlie's Nail Art for the month of March. A little thank you she puts in all the orders. Handwritten. So nice. So let's see. I got this party poppers. Those would be really cute for birthday nails or Mardi Gras. How cute are those? I love them. This one is called Spring Awakening. A nice green spring color. There's little bunnies in there. Look at the little bunny. And there's pink flowers. Some silver hexies. Some dark green little glitter in there. That's beautiful. That's perfect for spring. Here's one for St. Patrick's Day. It's called Lucky Charm. This one is a sample. It's PR. Staple out. So you got your silver and green 4-leaf clovers with your green glitter, different greens. This one's called Springtime, and it's also got some green 4-leaf clovers. It's got little tulips in it. So there's some lime green or yellowish green shamrocks. Some green ones. There's some butterflies, little tulips. How cute is that? Really like that one. And this one is textured 1mm Hexagon Silver. I'm not going to dump this one out. It's just silver textured. Looks really cool. And then I got the lilac textured one. Really pretty. And then this is Shimmer Glitter Apricot. She's got a lot of other colors in this, what would you call it? She's got a group. I'll put pictures up so you can see the other colors. It's beautiful. Then I got these little bows. They're supposed to be leopard print. So black and yellow. And then I got the horseshoes to use for St. Patrick's. And then I got this foil. Called Heart of Gold. I got a sample of it during my February order, and I thought I ordered it, but I got the sample. I wanted to get the full sheet. Ooh. It's got gold and purple and pink. Really pretty. And then the last thing I got, this one is called Rose Garden. And this is a sample she sent me. And it's just got roses on it. But I will put up some of the newer items that she's just putting on her website so you can see it and see if you want to go place an order. I am an ambassador, so if you'd like to place an order, you can get 10% off using my code Tammy in all caps 10, Tammy 10, and save yourself 10%. I want to thank Charlie for sending me the samples, and thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.